SmartMesh is a way to connect multiple access points without wires. Outdoors is typically where you'll find mesh. You need to connect multiple buildings or light poles where you can't easily get Ethernet connectivity but could easily get power. Now you can also use SmartMesh inside. Let's say you have a historic building or some type of building where it would be difficult or costly to wire your access points. SmartMesh just requires that you power up the access point and they will connect themselves together. This is an example. You have a zone director, which is required for mesh, the switch, a wired access point, which is called our root, and then wirelessly the other devices will connect, and those are called mesh APs. The great thing is you're not buying anything different. You're not licensing anything different. When this access point comes up, it realizes it doesn't have Ethernet connectivity, and it will just connect back to a root. If this mesh access point can't find the root, it will say, oh, I found another mesh, and they will connect like that. And one of the things to keep in mind, a caveat of all mesh networks, is the loss of throughput. Now, as you hop, this first hop, you will get full throughput. But the second hop, now this is a second hop and this is a second hop, you will get 1/2 of your throughput. As you go on out, you'll get somewhere between 1/3 on your third hop and yet 1/4, another half gone. So that's something to consider. Now, the variation in differences for the speed that you get depends a lot on where your clients are. Now keep in mind that these are meshed typically on your 5 gigahertz band. So if you have a 5 gigahertz access or dual band access point, the 5 gigahertz will be the mesh link. On our single band products, you can also mesh those, although it's not recommended. Mesh is best with a multi-radioed AP. So mesh gives you the ability to connect these access points without wires. It's very cost effective and a very good way to deploy a network very simply, easily, with very little cost in deployment.